Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna go over the ways that you can invest into real estate. Some of you have considered investing into real estate but don't know exactly where to begin or don't know exactly where to invest. Well, today I'm gonna go over all the ways that you can invest into real estate so you can go in with a plan and see which goals you hope to accomplish when investing into real estate. So that being said, the first method and the most common method that you have probably heard is buying and holding. This is normally common for homeowners that are looking to settle in one home and live with their family. This is one of the ways that you can invest into real estate. The longer you hold the property, the more it's going to appreciate. So buying and holding is the first way you can invest into real estate. And it's really good, especially if you're just looking to settle or just want a home for you and your family. The next way to invest into real estate is fix and flipping, another common way. Fix and flipping, what it pretty much means is that you're getting a home that might need a little bit of work, that's a little run down, and you're buying that property, you're fixing it up, and you're putting it back on the market for a higher price, and then keeping the difference. This is what pretty much fix and flipping means. This process normally takes up to 5 months between buying the home, flipping it, and selling it. So fix and flipping can be a very good way to make good money if you have the team in place, and this is something that you would like to do when it comes to real estate investing. The next way you can invest into real estate is wholesaling. What wholesaling pretty much means is that you're going into a property with the intention of buying it, but let's say the seller told you that there was no basement, and then you realize that there was a basement, and you really don't want to go forward with the contract and buying the home. So what you do is that you assign the contract to someone that's interested in the property. It can be another buyer like you or an investor that might be willing to take the property off your hands, and you can assign that contract for a fee. So let's say you get the property for $300,000 and you want to make a little bit of profit for getting the home under contract, so you assign it to the investor at $350,000 and the investor agrees. So then when you assign it to the investor, he's gonna pay you the difference, which is $50,000 that goes to your pocket. So this is pretty much what wholesaling is getting a home under contract and assigning it to someone that's interested in the property. The next way to invest into real estate is house hacking. Let's say you buy a home with 3 bedrooms and you're only using 1. So what house hacking is that you're pretty much getting roommates or someone to live with you to pay you rent for using that room. So there's many people that they buy homes with 3 to 4 bedrooms and then they rent the bedrooms to be able to pay the mortgage, leading to them living there for free and paying the mortgage in the meantime. So this is pretty much house hacking. The next way to invest into real estate is the BRRRR method. BRRRR method pretty much means buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. If you're looking to go into the real estate field with the goal to rent properties and make passive income from multiple properties, then the BRRRR method is something that you should consider. Because you're pretty much just like flipping homes. You're buying a property, you're fixing it up, making it better, you're renting it, and then you refinance the property. And what refinance pretty much is pretty much you're getting a new loan to pay off the old loan. And let's say the home was worth $300,000 and you fixed it up, and now it's worth $350,000. Once you refinance and you get a new loan, you're gonna get a loan for $350,000. And since now you're the owner, you get to pay the old loan and you get to keep the difference, which is $50,000. And then those $50,000 you get to use to buy another property. This is the BRRRR method. If you're looking to build a rent portfolio, then the BRRRR method is right for you. On to the next way to invest into real estate, and that is buying and selling land. Buying land can be a very great investment when you're going into real estate, because just like the homes that are built on the land, they also appreciate in value over time. Many people buy land slightly outside the city, knowing that the city will eventually keep expanding and their land is going to be worth more because people will eventually want to build in that land. Buying land can be a very good way to invest into real estate if you plan to buy land to build on it and make a profit from what you built, or if you're looking to buy land to hold it so you can sell it later for a higher profit. And then the last way to invest into real estate is commercial. Commercial real estate can be anything from office buildings to a residential duplex or even a restaurant. Commercial is very popular and can be seen as the most effective way in real estate to make passive income fast and effectively. So guys, here are the 7 most common ways to invest into real estate. Just see what your goals are, what you plan to accomplish by the end of your real estate journey, and take action. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll happily respond. Thank you for watching. Take care.